Wow. Is that the new one from China?
Yeah. How do you know that? 大家好，我而家人喺中環呢度呢，就係好多外國人喺香港放工嘅時候 happy hour 嘅地方，我就好中意同外國人傾偈嘅。咁唔知大家知唔知呢？國產有個車嘅牌子叫做長城，咁佢啱啱就喺泰國嘅全球經銷商會議入邊表現得非常之出色，有超過50個國家同埋200個經銷商都在場。咁我就睇咗一啲佢哋嘅相啦，就發現哇，而家國產車原來已經咁靚咁勁抽㗎啦。所以今日我喺蘭桂坊想問一問呢度嘅外國人點樣睇國產車。
Paris.
Give me your opinion on how they look.
Well, the car looks great and very modern, and also it seems like a luxurious car to me.
So I think it's luxurious, and also like you have a lot of place for your family, and it's huge.
呢個係我全個中環最中意嘅 Happy Hour 酒吧，入邊咧好有英國風情。我帶大家睇下。What do you do?
I'm a pilot. It looks expensive.
Marco.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Commiserations with the loss.
I know, last Saturday.
What do you think of the look of these cars?
Wow. What is it?
This is electric cars.
Is that the new one from China?
Yeah. How do you know that?
I've seen it in the paper.
Does it look good to you?
Yeah, it does actually. It
What?
looks a little bit like the four-wheel drive Bentley.
The
Oh, the wheels are cool, yeah.
有一個外國人即刻現場認得出長城嘅品牌。頭先嗰兩架車分別係坦克500同埋魏牌 Mocha Coffee 01，都係長城品牌最新嘅電動車。長城喺第39屆泰國國際車博會將佢哋最新嘅 model 坦克500 HEV 量產版拎出嚟，場面非常之震撼，好多當地嘅用戶爭住咁要睇呢架車，有超過100個嘅頂級經銷商現場簽約啦，亦都有好多咧之後追加單，證明佢哋對長城嘅前景真係非常之有希望啊！咁講到希望啦，我都希望國產車越嚟越好。咁我每一次嚟到呢個酒吧嘅時候，都可以同呢度嘅外國人去講國產牌子，加油 ！Cheers！